Hello, my first function. This is they have prepared basically in advance basically. 7% of yes basically. They have prepared in advance. 20 crore child basically which is going to come. That is basically the next generation basically. That data basically somebody has prepared in advance. But where basically this child is going to allocate, up to that preparation basically it's very not possible basically, because it might possible that suddenly basically world will end. Then what will you do? So here 1% of the yes basically. So up to this level basically they can't prepare basically. But mostly basically world will never end. Why? The example basically I have taken. The Mumbai city basically data is getting processed basically in environment basically, and that data basically is taken by the satellite group also basically. If Mumbai will end, that means basically they have to again basically they have to do the 5,000 year process basically. That they will never do basically. Satellite group basically are never going to do that basically. Why? Because they will not do basically. Why? Because they can't do the 5,000 year hard work again basically. They are never going to do. Satellite group basically never going to do. So person told their yes basically. They are never going to do the repeat hard work. So 1% told the yes basically. Satellite groups basically never do the hard work basically, which are connected with the Earth planet people. Because Mumbai is created by satellite groups plus Earth planet people basically, who are connected with the satellites. Who are connected with the satellites. So next you do.